If you've ever needed to gather several documents, maybe some PDFs, a couple of Word files, or even images, into one polished, all-in-one PDF, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the simplest way to combine multiple files into a single PDF using Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll not only know how to do this efficiently, but you'll also understand a few customization options that help keep your files organized and looking professional. Let's get started right away. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you haven't used Acrobat in a while, you'll notice there are quite a few tools available, but you want to head straight for the Tools tab, usually found at the top of your screen. The Tools tab is where all the magic happens. It's kind of like the control panel for Acrobat, letting you choose exactly what kind of job you want to accomplish. Once you're in the Tools tab, look for the Combine Files tool. This is specifically designed for merging documents, regardless of their formats. Click on it, and you'll see a new window pop up, prompting you to add your files. Now, adding your files is super easy. You can click the Add Files button and browse to wherever your documents are stored on your computer, selecting as many as you need. Or, if it feels quicker, just grab the files directly from your desktop or folder and drag them into the Combine Files window. Acrobat is pretty flexible here. You might be pulling in PDFs, Word docs, JPGs, whatever you need to bundle together. It's like assembling pieces for a scrapbook and knowing they'll all fit perfectly in the end. Once your files are loaded in the window, take a moment to check their order. This step is more important than it might sound. Think of it like organizing chapters in a book. The order you arrange them in here is the order they'll appear in your final PDF. So if you need a cover letter to come first, make sure to drag it into position, or if one document should serve as an appendix, slide it to the end. Just click and drag until everything looks right. As you review your list, you might realize there's a file you don't actually need. No problem. Just click to select that file and hit delete. Acrobat will remove it instantly. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always re-add a file if you accidentally delete it. When everything is set the way you want, files all loaded, perfectly ordered, nothing extra, go ahead and click the Combine button. Now, Acrobat gets to work merging everything just how you arranged it. Depending on the number and size of your files, this part might take a few moments, so don't be surprised if there's a brief pause. After the merge is complete, Acrobat will display your new combined PDF. At this point, it's a good idea to save your work. Go to the File menu and select Save As. Give your PDF a meaningful name, something that reflects its contents or purpose, so you can always find it easily in the future. Choose your save location, and you're done. And that's it. Your documents are now seamlessly combined into one neat PDF, ready to share, archive, or print. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're still unsure about any step or want to know more tips, leave a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.